he explained everything in this one, and like I have been like saying this data structure roadmap since like 4 to 5 months, and I've been saying to many students. So I have been habituated with that PPT, and I'm okay. Like many of the people was like able to get saying it. It's beneficial for them. Like it is at the end, you'll be having all the platforms for each and every topic. That topic usually contains that only I'm saying now it will be basically at the point of your placement, like all your four knowledge sessions and like basically those sessions are called knowledge sessions in GFG. So all the four knowledge sessions will be other than academics, like which you will be not learning in the college. You will be like uh, I or anyone else will be teaching, like any of the GFG students, GFG what is it, core team who was qualified from GFG will be taking will be taking sessions, and these will be useful for your placements. I told it's like you don't think like you need to attend this session because of your attendance. I told first day itself we gonna not fail you. We'll however we'll pass you. That's it. If you want to listen, like if you think it's useful for you, can like you can join us. Otherwise, just say like I'm there in your group. Just send me message like Rohit, I'm not gonna come this session. Please give me marks. I'll give. I'm saying first day itself, but it's up to you whether you like whether it's useful for you or not. And okay, further no delay, let's start with the session. Yeah, I guess everybody comfortable with the marking schema. I guess everyone. I hope. Just say me like I asked him early in the morning. Like yesterday, sorry to say that yesterday I was on campus, so I met few of you on the in campus. So few dollars, it's okay. Like they were okay with the present, what do you say, present procedure of the tech marking schema. If anybody are not in like anybody wants some update or some like some relaxation from that, you can just send us a chart so that we will be thinking. Remember one thing. If one message, it will be up, it will be for all. Like it will be updated for everyone. Like we cannot allocate one marking schema for each and every student. So everything will be common for all 120 students. Okay, further on, no delay. I'm gonna share everything. Yeah. See, basically this roadmap, I don't know, it will be covering until 6 months. 6 months. It will be it will be from it. I don't know. I'm repeating like those are a few students who are joined now. So it will be from scratch to advanced. Like if you are, it will be this roadmap will be covering all the topics of DSA data analysis algorithm, and on what do you say, if you're thinking about each and every company, then like this along this slide, like along this PPT, what I'm saying will contain at least like 50% of the weightage of your any examination, because DSA is the thing is most like rated subject. It's not overrated or it's not underrated. It's exact rated because like DSA DSA covers the concepts which is basically full of logical building as well as ability, and these skills will be useful for the companies to like to go train you after they like after you boarded them. That's why DSA is rated, not overrated or underrated. Let's know. Let's go on. And yeah, okay, yeah. Like this initial like after learning DSA, you will be like you after like while you are doing the examinations and while you're doing the core problems, you will be having the similar face of him. Like you will be habituated, and like let's start right now. Let's go on. Yeah. See, like DS is a thing which cannot be like cannot be completed, not like learned, cannot be completed either in 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. It's a learning process. I told this will be given for 6 months because you will be continuously assessing yourself. And if you are thinking about a placement or higher studies or something else, and DSA will be the major part. If you are like, you can ask any, like you can ask me or any senior or any of your relative who is in software field, they'll say what like importance of DSA in every field, like after your after you once you're coming out of the career also, like after the college, not career, sorry. And like first month, I told her at least like if you are at least like learn until before starting this thing, at least like you can cover until object oriented program. I prefer I prefer you to either take C++ or Java DSA. Like there will be option to choose code in Python also, but if you last time I told, right. So if Java and C++ will have like will not have time constraint errors a lot, but Python do have like it will be having a lot of limitations. That's why like many suggest to take DSA in Java, C++ because you can understand the like easily you can understand the topics. And first month you can cover the basics of coding like until object-oriented programming. And next month you can go with recursion. I guess everybody know about recursion, right? Guys, recursion. Anybody muted me?
Yeah.
Anyone muted me by the way? No one, I guess. Okay.
No, no.
Yeah, I'm seeing few hands on recursion. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hello, Bhaiya. Hi, Saurav. Yeah, I'm going back. No, wait, further on, not, no, sorry. Sorry, guys. I told you. Okay. In second month, you can go for recursion because like in DSA, after starting DSA, well, like recursions will be the concepts which like you need to approach a problem. Like let us take a random problem. I'm saying there will be a problem statement given for you. It requires continuous approach. Like you should like they'll be giving test cases. So continuation of function required in the like code. That's why we will be. I'm saying like this pattern was saying like this roadmap contains recursion first. After recursion, searching. Basically, everybody does say searching at the end, like to prefer searching at the end. But if you started searching at the starting, right, like so you can understand the easiest way, like time complexities and everything. You can easily understand like when you're done with time complexities, if you go for searching, searching algorithms like BFS and DFS, there are many searching algorithms. If you've done those, like you can like you can get to know the like element positions and as well as when you're learning hoops, I prefer like I decide to say learn pointers concept. Like it will be just 10 minutes or 15 minutes concept pointers. Remember the thing. And next comes sorting. Yeah, sorting like there are many types of sorting, math sorting, like go on like there are total many sortings. Like there are total 6 type of sorting. You can go with them. And next one, this all will be covering in like you can cover in second month like don't think about the month, but think about the like order of the what you say uh to concepts to learn. And next one, okay, cycle sort. I do say not more required. Prefix some sliding windows. Okay, these all are normal subs. Yeah. Here comes data structures. Yeah. From here you will be learning all the data structures. Okay. See, last time I told you, if you want to do data structures, one thing you should know about like how to approach a problem rather to use like array at the time when we should use array and when we should use tab, when we should use linked list. These all things you should know. Like I'm saying, and I'll be saying each and everything. Like if you, I'll be saying about stack. If stack, right? So it will be like a water glass. So it will be only just it will have only push and pop operations. Like so, if there will be like option like there will be water in the jug. So if you wanna to add the if you need to multiply the number and you need to get into the like you need to add it to the water. So it will be directly you can understand like you should apply stack there. And if it like last in first out and it's a stack and first in first out everything you should like you can understand like link array stack linked list. Next one, okay, these are already done. Yeah, from here, like advanced data structures started like graphs, binary search tree, again it's here, like binary trees, as well as graphs will be, these all are like basically heap priority queues. These are called heaps, basically set heap, map heap, unordered set and all ordered set. So that's all like here comes the like that here from here we will be studying about data analysis of algorithms like backtracking dynamic. These all will be learned in your third year. But why I'm saying to learn is like these along this slide contains at least like 40% of the companies gives only on this slide, like what I'm showing you, backtracking as well as dynamic programming. These two are okay. I'll be writing better. I'm not good at writing. See, backtracking and dynamic programming. These two are the concepts. Mostly 30% of the companies like approach, because these two will be covering all the concepts of previous, like every concept like backtracking. I'm just saying an example. Let us take a like I'm just saying an example where how what is meaning of backtracking. Let us take like this, and like there is a part here and it's closed. This is closed. So you should approach this one like you should. Here is the starting point. You should approach this like circle one. So you normal you say like we can approach like a binary search tree like while we'll go here and while we'll go here. But here the objects are free, but there will be a situation like you have to check search all the time. At that time, you'll be using backtracking. You'll be starting from here as well as from end. So backtracking is a problem where we'll be starting from the starting as well as from the ending. Yeah. And DP contains many like DP is basically dynamic like DP contains many concepts. All the concepts like graphs and graphs, streaks, see, not trees as well as heaps. Sorry, like there was mistake. And next, okay. Like this was okay. However, you are from G, like you all are as the curve is from GFG, so we need to take care of like this was from GFG. This is also same what I have done, what I've told like until now. Yeah, these are all the concepts in from YouTube. Like everything is free resource in this one. All the things like you can. This is the slide. I'll be showing you PPT. Don't take share, don't take screenshots. It contains all your like all the problems of your cat, fat, everything, and cat, fat, as well as the ending concepts like until progress like placement of your point of yours. And I guess many of your faculties will be saying this like Abdul Bari, and I guess where is this one, Jen? Yeah, this is one. These all are basically will be teaching you the concepts, not coding. These all will be the like how to do the things like how to learn. If you want to learn about Q, like Jenny, I guess many of you know Jelly. Jenny lectures anybody? Anybody uses Jenny here? Like Jenny lectures for your clearing, not anybody uses.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And here, these all are the things. If you are like, if you are wants to learn for placement of point of view, these all things are the main thing. Like these all will be having elaboration of like every previous slide was about the concept, but these all were like these all will be having you these all in YouTube. So when you click the link in this, you will be immediately directed to the playlist of these. Like if you've taken a Harvard CS50, it's the like course contains each and every topic of CSE, and it was basically taught by Harvard. This like what I have learned, right? See, I have seen this Harvard as well as this like GFG as well as free code camp. My first preference was Harvard and second was free code camp, because free code camp why I preferred, right? See, free code camp as easy like you can it will be explaining each and every concept in detail, like how to approach the code, how to approach the sums and everything. And these all are the like just read and like just read websites. That's it. Like where you can learn all the things. Here comes the major part. See, actually this was the basic one. Like you have to start with hacker rank after geeks for geeks after geeks for geeks. It's not necessary to solve all the problems. I'll say like how to start with. See, if you want to learn array concept, yeah, I'll be saying this one, this like before one and before one. See, if you want to start like array, so if you are thinking about just cat point of view, I have uh like yeah. First, just go with the lectures with lectures from NISO Academy to learn the concept. Let me say NISO Academy. Afterwards, go to either free code camp or like Harvard CS50. Like Harvard CS50, you will be having problems just like basic problems of this array. Afterwards, come to your hacker rank. here from here, like it will be useful for your placements. Hacker rank, there will be session called DSA session. DSA, like it will be having data structures and algorithms. There will be 3 levels basically: beginner, intermediate, and senior. So like from like when you start with the beginner, it will be having like yeah, any doubt? No, okay. Yeah, it will be having like 10 to like it will be having many problems. Just solve 10 problems here. Afterwards, just go for geeks for geeks. And in geeks for geeks, in geeks for geeks also there is a plan like inside geeks for geeks there is a called problem solving plan, like problem solving. I'll be showing you a demonstration like after this. In GFG, in like you just cover the problems on basic level. After basic, and like intermediate is also fine in GFG. Then coach up is based after when you reach like while you're doing these two, coach up usually conducts like a weekend tests basically. Weekend contest. So just take part of those contests like if there will be total in coach of one, you'll be having 4 questions in that. See, initially you will be able to solve at least like one question. Like at starting, I like honest, I'm saying I used to solve only 0 questions because I should not know the topic. But afterwards, when I use this technique, I like in for second week, I got how to approach the one question, only approach, not to code also, only approach. Okay, it's fine. And next week, I am able to code one question. Yeah, like it will be 2 hour 2 hour one, but I am just 2 hour I taken just to solve one question. But if you are able to do that, it's more like you are the one who is above like 40% among like 40% greater than among your peers. And everybody does say like to start lead code at the start, but I will say this is the procedure like because lead code is the platform where all the question, even basic questions will be somewhat like a what do you say, more logical way. So like if you need to approach all the problems, these will be path. But you think like if you thought like while you're doing this niche like free code camp, or if you're thinking like you are able to like you're able to get approach directly, you can jump to lead code. Like no need to use these all platforms. Directly you can jump to lead code and do there. And one more thing, like from now like just a minute, I'll be okay. Where is this erase option, man? Okay, let's go. Yeah, see, if you're doing problems from lead code, one thing like there will be 3 sessions basically: beginner, intermediate. There also will be having advanced. Advanced are advanced only. And see, when you're doing the sums on like beginner is also called as like it is called as easy in basically in lead code. So I just call it beginner. See, when you're doing beginner sums, total lead code is having right now I guess 3,500 plus problems like in all subjects. Only like it is having like around 1,400 problems on DSA. Like just take one problem per day. It's like one problem per day is enough. Like if you are thinking about DSA, and like for companies, I'm saying if you are able to solve lead code medium sums, it's like it's more than enough. But one thing matters is time complexity. I have told him before, I guess. Like for okay, I'm saying time complexity should be your primary goal to learn the things. You may say like why you're saying time complexity is the main. Yeah. See, in every exam, out of 15 test cases, 8 test cases will just verify by time complexity. They'll be seeing output as well as time complexity. Like they need the code in the efficient way. Because like there is a possibility like you can get code from ChatGPT and like there are many other resources like Blackboard box, something sandboxes. There are many platforms to which can generate code immediately. But what they does, right? They decreases the time complexity because if they decrease the time complexity, right? So that even like it takes basically if you take a code from ChatGPT, let us assume. See, if you copied a code, like if you copied or get the code from ChatGPT, like it will maximum having big off and login. Let us think like See, basically, there was like before uploading the questions in their platform, just they verify with the ChatGPT as well as Google, but something like they will verify and like okay, they'll come to know that it is maximum of big log and login. So they'll update it at big often. You may say like by copying from ChatGPT, can like I can optimize the code? Yeah, there is a like you can do that, but it will be like it will be wasting much of your time to optimize the code. Better you do code yourself from the start like from the starting day itself. I prefer you to do that, and that's all. But yeah, to think leak code and yeah, this is a question. Saurabh, like how to think on lead code hidden cases. Yeah. Basically, hidden cases are the thing, are the ones which is mostly on, which takes mostly on time complexity ones. Like they'll be considering only time complexity. Like out of 15, 7 will be I like right now when I saw like after solving 30 to 40 problems, I got to know just 5 to 6 will be hidden, and in out of those 6 also 3 to 4 will be on basically on time complexity, and 1 will be on space complexity because like you'll be getting the solution. When once you got to know like all the isn't test cases are running, it easily all the hidden test cases will be run. But right now, let us say 50, out of 15, 8 will be run, 7 will be right, like shown to you. So if these 7 were run, like there is maximum possibility of these 8 to 8 are running. But if there is any mismatch out of those 8, it will be mainly on two things, either time complexity error or else space complexity error. Like you may ask, bro, what is meant by space complexity? Yeah, space complexity will be teach you to, I guess, whether, but by the way, are they teaching you space complexity also? DSA. For us, they don't teach it actually. That's why I'm asking you. Guys, yeah, they're teaching, okay. Space complexity. Anyone else? My guys saying yes, no.
No.
Okay. Yeah, you can learn space. One thing when you're in your 31st, you're in 3-1, like when competitive coding just started, you can learn like they'll be teaching you this space complex sector there. It's like it's more like a time complexity only, but there will be only two models in space complexity. That's it. You can learn it easy, many like much of easier way. That's all. This is the official one. I'm saying like every time I say official as well as my one. This is one. This one was up like every input. This is from GFC. Right now, I'm like, if you want, I'll give my input. Otherwise, that's all with the session. I'll take attendance. That's it. Just a minute. Participant list. Attendance. Yeah. Downloaded. Yeah. Attendance downloaded. Yeah, guys. Now you can start. Like, you can ask if you want if there are any doubts. Okay. Now let us come to your exam point of view. I'm saying what I approach, like I am the guy only like one night batsman. I'm saying I'm honest, but I must not say this. I got good grade in DSA, which is more than A. I cannot say the grade, which is more than A. You can think of the grade also. See what I done you right. Bhaiya is apni kaksha course certificate valid in industry. Saurabh, like alpha course, like apne kaksha there is a course called alpha one, right? See, one thing I'm saying, any company doesn't ask you like about certificate validation. Even they just ask you or like they just test your skills. Yeah, yeah. See, basically many taken like many of my friends taken alpha and in apni kaksha, but they're good. Like they are doing good. Like one of my friend got in Microsoft. He's from basically from Vitvelu. He's our batchmate only. So he done with Microsoft in intern. Yeah, see one thing I'm saying, guys. Before spending much money on certificate, like certifications you can send, but if you want to learn the topics and like I must not reveal the platforms, but I'll include there like in ethnic names. Era. There are many topics like many companies like that. If you want to spend like that, you can get those like unique open. I cannot spell the whole whole name, DME coupons in the any YouTube channel. Anywhere you can get the DME coupons. If you want to take the Sera courses, I guess you can understand this. What is the meaning of Sera courses? If you want to take Sera courses, there is an option called financial aid. You can apply for it and you can get it for free. One thing, one like there are many loopholes to learn the CS50 certification. Yeah, it's good, good Saurabh, but it's costly, man. You can learn it from YouTube. Like see, it's you can learn it from YouTube itself for free of cost, right? So okay, you may say that I'm having certificate. That's it. That's it. And one where I am, just a minute. Yeah, yeah. You can apply for financial aid in SRA. I cannot spell the words because of a recording, and it will be it somewhere like okay, no problem. See, I'm saying official like it's as GFG. I won't say to take any like only GFG courses or other courses those all. But one thing I'm saying before spending money on a course or on a like anything, just go get to know like, from YouTube. Like there are many guys who will be taking reviews. There are many channels whose work is to just review the courses. Just have a review. Like you may ask like his point of view is different and it's our point of view different, but they have seen many courses like that. Like just take like I'll say one YouTube channel name, but okay, let us say no problem. There is a YouTube channel name called Tricky Man. Tricky, I'll type in better in like chat. Tricky Man. I guess many of you know, but if you don't know, if you like, you can just follow. I won't say you like. I'm not promoting him basically. In that YouTube channel, basically you get Dumi coupons for free. Like he'll be giving you Dumi coupons for free, and also there is a like, Telegram channel called Free Coupons, but right now it's not active from past 10 to 15 days actually. So I guess free coupons were removed. Okay, let's come back to the session. If you want to use cat and fat, I'm saying like Jenny lectures is more than enough, and just go to DSpace and download previous year's question papers. Just do those problems, you will get out of marks in that in DSA. Mark my words, I'm saying right. Practice the concept from either from general lectures or else who else that guy name I forgot. Like there is a one fact guy. Yeah. See, once you learn the concept on previous papers, yeah, it's more than enough. Like I guess I have done across like for 32 to 35 problems like I was doing from many years. Yeah. Yeah, Gates meshes. That's the guy. Like I forgot Gates meshes because last time I not using like I not got to many but Gates meshes. Yeah. Anything and anything I want. Yeah. One. See one thing. Don't take light of DSA. I'm saying. Yeah, basically, yeah, Prajwal, like code theory is saying DSA and C++. That's the problem there. Otherwise, I used to say prefer with if you are thinking about coding, like if you want to do leak code, you can first day itself I told you can go with the code theory. But our college does teach DSA and Java, right? So that's why not told code theory. Otherwise, I used to go with code. I am the guy who does say like code theory a lot. Like those are good. Those are wants to do, web development and mobile application development. I am the guy who always says only code theory because he's the man who does teach practically a lot. It's not compulsory like as a like it may like you may like or not like it, but as I'm saying, I'll prefer for code theory. One thing, first thing I'm saying, like if you are for this cat, I'm saying time complexity you'll get stack in stack also prefix and postfix equations q offers linked list. You may like I'm saying you may get a code from linked list. Until like you are having until linked trees also you're having, right, guys? Just confirm me.
Yeah, bro.
Guys, no, bro. Okay. Yeah, addition, no, bro. Okay. See, in linked list, maximum they'll be giving questions on double linked list as well as circular linked list. They will ask you to code and write algorithm. It will be like for us last time they asked for 15 marks to write algorithm as well as code. But they won't mention to like write circle English. They'll be giving a scenario. You should understand which one you should apply. I guess many of you seen the model paper, right? Like there was a train some. I guess you know the
Yeah,
problems.
yeah.
Yeah. Basically, that was the paper in from last time of us. So I'm like I remember those things a little bit. Yeah. And well, I guess that's it. Yeah, that's all, guys. And yeah, like I will end up session with one more like one more thing. Guys, yeah, I'll say that. I hope every one of you registered for GPAT. Do you? Yes, confirm me back.
Yeah, yeah.
Only one guy? Yeah, one more. Yeah. Oh, so I have some yeah, okay. See, like why I'm saying these many times is just for you, your cause. As a like I'm saying for first day itself, I am the guy who does take care of all the members who register, either you or else your club like members, because you have unfor you may say that we want to like just for marks, it's compulsory we register. Okay, it's up to you. I won't force you guys, but I am the guy who wants to give 100% of my effort to you guys. That's it. Yeah, because like GPAT is a contest basically to analyze your skills as you are. I told last time itself, as you are in the starting of your second year. It will just make you to get the environment of the industrial coding rounds. That's it. I won't force you again. I have sent already links in the WhatsApp group. If you want to register, just see tomorrow night. Just a 2 hour contest. I won't like see one thing. Attending the test is one thing, and getting the marks is another thing. Just attend the test. That's it. It's not like it's not more about marks, right? You will be having your own report. I will be not getting any report for myself. It will be on like it will be showing to you how much you scored and how much you get, like what are the things you can learn. That's it. If you are thinking about marks, there is a session called MCQ where you can like HTS will be covered there. You can get the marks from there. If you're like if you're a guy or girl who thinks of your career like placement, you can just take it, just have a try and like participate in the test. That's it. It's up to you. I won't like see. I'm not the guy like who other clubs. Just a minute. There was a disturbance. Yeah. See, I'm not the guy who always forces you to do the things. Like there are few clubs they'll give you an ID and they'll say you to get registrations. If you are like if you're not got registration, you have to registration yourself and they'll force you to buy the t-shirts and many things. I'm not the guy who like see. I am the guy who believes in quality better than quantity. That's it. I'm not more than say that. Okay. However, just think I'm sharing. See, one more thing, we got permission for our Hacktoberfest. So on 26th and 27th of this month, we are having a hackathon in hybrid mode. Uh, like it will be 26th will be as a part of Hacktoberfest, we are conducting this contest, right? So Fest, I guess. Do I told to you like about Hacktoberfest and everything in last meet? Just confirm me, guys.
Yeah, we want to learn more.
Okay, not told to you. Okay, let me say. See, basically, Hacktoberfest is like Hacktoberfest is a contest conducted by like not GitHub. GitHub every year to to make technical persons as well as technical students to make open source contributions. Like open source contributions in the sense, being a student, you can help a company, help a organization to make their like projects done, and you can contribute either in there is a path either non code or else code. So this year, like for all Andhra Pradesh, GFG VITP is for like VITP is conducting events right now. Like we are having like we are on vacation. Unfortunately, we got. I applied for the things I thought like I'll be in offline, but unfortunately I got vacation. But as we kept, so we got permissions. We need to conduct the event. So it will be a statewide hackathon. Like we will be promoting all like I sent to the near like few GFG chapters across Andhra Pradesh, and you can get contest from other than Andhra Pradesh. So, like it's basically it's all India or like all over the world one like as it was sponsored by a major like hacking, and like let's back conduct the Hacktoberfest. And basically like there will be minimum of 4 pull requests. As I guess if you are if any everybody of GitHub, it's okay, but those who don't know GitHub, like there will be option to like copy their code. Like there will be already there will be existing code. Just you need to copy their code, and like you have to check where you have to modify. That is basically it's called fork. And after changing the after making the code into exact manner, you'll be sending a request. That request is called pull request. So after they accepted it, it is called merge. After these three processes, you'll be getting one pull request merge. This is called PR merge one. So after 4 PR merges, you'll be getting a badge from Hacktoberfest. Like you are the top, you are among top 50,000 contributors. Until last year, those who contributed 4 pull requests, they used to give T-shirt and hoodies. But this year, unfortunately, Hacktoberfest removed due to lack of the post-COVID situations right now they're facing, and as well as I told right, recession is going on because of the market capabilities. So they removed the T-shirt as well as stickers for this year, but they have come up with NFTs. They are NFTs as well as badges. And this year, basically, Hacktoberfest is concentrated on more into nature. Like as in this year, we have conducted G20, right? So they are saying like we want to make as part of G20 contributions, we want to make we like if you complete a 4 pull request on their name, we will plant the tree. Okay, they're saying we cannot say right. That's all. And we'll be conducting and we'll be having like 2-day event conducted. One day will be in online as well as hackathon will be hybrid. See, hybrid mode, like you may ask, like 22 batch can be now offline or online. It's up to you whether to be online, but yeah, like there will be a process called. I'll be letting you know in meanwhile. And on November 4th, GFG's annual hackathon, Geekathon 1.0, like that will be our first hackathon. Like other than already we got sponsors and everything will be. And one more thing, if you want to know more updates faster, like I'll be sharing you however in WhatsApp, but if you want like a quick updates will be given you to maximum through LinkedIn or else Instagram. You can follow there. And yeah, pretty well. And I'll be after your exams, I'll be talking to you about this whole thing again. Like we're having exams in next week, right? So if anything, I'll be taking few students from your batch, those are like for 25th and 26th. And you need to help. Like if you are good, I don't know, you all will be shifted to some other time. I'll be taking few guys and I'll be allocating into the team. Yeah, I'll random pick. See one thing, I'll random pick the members, but yeah, but what is it's not Geek Premier League, it's Geekathon. It's Geekathon. Basically, it is an hackathon, web hackathon. So it was already we got sponsors on board and details I'll be sharing you like who are the sponsors and everything I'll be sharing soon. Like it was everything will be like even this one Hacktoberfest will be open, like it is open state one, like they can choose anything. It's open track, but Geekathon will be giving problem statements. You have to work on that. And already I like see one more thing. Pretty well, these are the things we have so far planned. If you are having any ideas to suggest us, you can suggest like either to me or your head Priyanka. You can just send a DM. Or else if you are good at to like if you want to make it in group, you can just text in group also. We will be there active. We will be taking your ideas consideration. Yeah, guys. If you wanna like, but yeah, this is on GFG side. I am asking about that. Okay. See, Geek Premier League already done, right? Already, okay. Let me see. Yeah, that's Geek Olympics was done already. Yeah, Geek Premier League. Actually, I'll be sharing. Yeah, I know it's active. I'll be sharing like. Actually, I told it to the all the members of like I need. I'm having already that. Just take a minute. Geek Premier League. Just come back. Saurabh, are you asking this one right? Yeah, just confirm me back. I'll explain you. Yeah. Okay. See, basically GPL is it's a contesting conducted by GFG. You need to what just a minute, stop the sharing. See, basically you need to write the technical content like if you wrote 4 to 5 first one initially you'll be getting no like contributor, afterwards you'll be getting OS contributor. So you'll be given badges in GFG platform. You need to write the content writing skills. If you are good at content writing skills after 4 to 5 like they'll be observing after 2 to 3 articles of you. If you are good, they'll be giving you like there are many my friends who are writing technical content writing in GFG. They'll be getting paid monthly. Not yeah, someone should join now. They'll be getting paid. Yeah, my like annually. Yeah, that's all, guys. Anything? That's all with me. If you want to ask anything, just yeah, chat. Yeah, I did write one article. Is it published? Just, just either. Yeah, they give me okay, no problem. Yeah, see one thing. I'll have to. Yeah. Okay. Sort of. Yeah. See, like if you are GPL, last time actually they conducted one more event like recently on this one, but again they are conducting on GPL. Like, basically, they encourage content writing like technical. Basically, GFG is an online article like online platform for free of cost, right? For each and every technical things, technical stuff. And guys, that's all with me. If you are having any ideas or any doubts, you can ask me. Yeah, you can talk. You can talk. Yeah, some Sampacha, say man. Guys, any doubts or else? Thank you. I just send me that like attendance once more. I'm going to implement in that. Implement in that. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. Sorry.
So
Yeah,
is it
thank
okay to
you.
reach you if you have any queries?
So it's okay to reach. Yeah, you can reach Harish. Yeah, see, I am there in your group. I told now, like you can contact me anytime. Like one more thing, you can contact me. What there is a like I'll be sleeping, but I'm a guy who is early sleeper, early bird basically. I'll be sleeping by 10, 11 o'clock, and morning I'll be wake up by 6 o'clock. So after 11, if you message also, I'll be not replying back. Sorry to say that. If you want immediate response, you can just message me before 11.
Yeah, okay, thank you for that.
Uh, Something sorry. Yeah. No, not 11 a.m. man. It's 11 p.m. man. 11 a.m. I'm having class daily. Sorry to say that. Guys, session was done. You can leave for that. If you're indoors, you can stay back. That's it.
Thank you for delivering the amazing session.
Yeah, it's okay, Arish. Yeah. Okay, it's okay, Prajwal. See you all. Hope you're hanging good. Hope right cat as well. Good night. Yeah. Are you guys benefiting of these sessions? Like I'm taking one session at two. I don't. I'll send you the. By the way, I'll send you a feedback link. Like I already shared it to the faculty coordinator. Stop recording.